स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूँ सुधा झा। मेरा प्रोफेशन है टीचिंग। फॉर लास्ट 22 ईयर्स मैं इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ा रही हूँ बच्चों को। तो चलिए मैं और आप इकोनॉमिक्स की जर्नी की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं। Hi, good morning to all the students, whether you are studying in the school or you are studying in the college. This particular video has been made for you all because now for last 2 months, that is past 2 months, and at present also, you are staying in your house. Now as you are staying in your house, you don't know what to do. Even in some of the areas, they have started online classes, especially at the school level till class 12. But still, you don't feel that much of entertainment as you were moving to the school and enjoying with your friends. Classes are going on, study is going on, but basically the problem is that you don't have the friends to interact. And when the session goes on, you have to pay 100% attention for that session. So what happens? You are in stress. The reason is your father and mother throughout the day goes on saying, hey, पढ़ता नहीं है, दिन भर खेलता है, मोबाइल पे गेम खेलता है, पढ़ता नहीं है, पढ़ो, एग्जाम आ जाएंगे, स्कूल स्टार्ट हो रहा है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस है, prepare for that. And you feel that throughout the day, as they are forcing us to study, then you feel, how much should I study? You want to shout, but you can't shout on your parents. You can't shout on your elder brother and sisters. The problem is, how should I come out from this stress? Too much of pressure. Early morning, if you are getting up late that you want to enjoy, okay, classes starts at 8:30. I can be at 8 o'clock. I can wake up at 8 o'clock and be ready for it. But not possible. They start shouting, howling at you from the morning. Now, what are the tips that you can come out from this type of stress? The number one is you have to manage the time. From early morning till the time you go to sleep, just prepare a timetable when you will study, when you will have your breakfast, when you will have your lunchtime, when you are going to sleep, at what time you are going to talk to your friends, at what time you are going to play even on your mobile. I'm not saying that playing is not must, as we are not supposed to go out of the house. So something you need for refreshment. Just prepare the exact time when you need to do these things. It means you have to prepare a timetable not only for the academics but for the whole day, how you are going to pass the whole day, and keep a record of it, what you did on that particular day. Prepare one old notebook, just write in that notebook what you did in the morning, from the morning till the night. Correct? This is the first part, that is managing time. Second is, as you know, we have to remain healthy, because now this coronavirus is it has played a very major role now here to infect the people, and it is community spreading now. So how we can protect ourselves? It can be when we do daily exercises. What type of exercises? It can be yogas. So many yogas are there which increases the immunity of the body, which increases your mental capability, which helps in keeping our body fit and fine. And every day in the news channel you have Baba Ramdev yoga exercise, which is very good for the children. Why not to do such exercises? Other than that, if you need some other exercises to do, well and good, because you have to keep your body healthy. So exercises must, otherwise whole day eating and reading will make you a little bit bulky. And then when you come back to the school or the college, people will say, अरे बहुत मोटा होकर आया है, you'll feel little bit bad, थोड़ा सा बुरा लगेगा, ही लगेगा, सबको लगता है, no problem. Very important is always stay positive. Stay positive means when someone speaks negative about you, out of those negatives, something very good, one point is also said, catch that point, put that in your life, and see that you will be overcoming such stress, and see, okay, this positive thing is in me, I should go on. So positive means always think better for others, better for yourself. Don't think anything negative for others. As I start thinking negative of others, negative things will be inserted in my mind. Always I will be speaking the negative. So it's much better, always think positive about others, positive about yourself. Correct? Very next important is to organization. When I speak about organization, I speak about two things. Organizing your life, and the second is organizing your academic skill. Now here when I am saying academic life, it means you prepare a timetable, and just you see which particular area you are having difficulty for last so many years. Either your handwriting is very bad, improve that in the house, or you don't know how to solve a maths numerical, learn the technique. Learn the technique. There are so many videos available for it. If you need some help, some guidance, you can even write to me. I'll give you so many techniques of easy learning mathematics concept, even of SST, social science, even of economics, even of English. So it's not that you can't excel in your field. You can excel. So we have to just organize our academic life. Second part is organize your schedule. Now organizing schedule means when you are keeping your clothes, keep it in the proper order. When you are taking out the notebooks and again giving back the notebooks or the textbook or your reference book, just keep it in the proper or organized way. There is one more thing. When someone shouts on you, you are also in stress. That particular time what you do is you see your almirah, wardrobe, clothes are scattered here and there. Just put down all the clothes and start murmuring in mind, because you can't speak loudly, and go on arranging it. You'll see that as soon as you arrange one shelf and move to the next one, automatically the thing which was there in your mind that, oh, I was in stress, my mother shouted on me or my father scolded me, that will go out. And till the time the wardrobe is ready, you'll feel, oh, कुछ तो हुआ नहीं था, अच्छा डांटे थे, कोई बात नहीं, वो तो मम्मी पापा है, थोड़ा डांटना ही है, no problem. Correct. Second is, if you can't do this, go to that particular study room where you keep your notebooks. Bring all the notebooks down. Keep it down. And then arrange it. Okay, economics here, economics classwork, homework. Mathematics, classwork, homework. Physics, classwork, homework. Go on arranging in the different shelf according to your need. Reference books in some other shelf. Okay. Your diary, your planner, somewhere else. This is what is organization. So organization you need for your academic life, organization you need for your daily routine. Once you follow the routine, see, everything becomes so simple, so easy. And when you watch this video after that, when you follow it, you'll see that 100% success will be there in your life. The next step which I want to say is stop procrastinating. Now procrastinating means I will say to my parents, this particular work, I'll do it tomorrow. Okay, I'll do day after tomorrow. Anything which you leave for day after tomorrow or tomorrow, it means again tomorrow when you'll get up, the same thing will be there. Don't leave the work for the next day. Do the work itself on the same time, the same day, and whenever you need it. Finish your work. Why to keep a pending work? It increases your burden. Yesterday's work plus today's work. So that has to be stopped. Very important thing is sometimes it comes to the mind, I'll do this, next this, third this, fourth this. बेटा एक बार में एक ही काम कर सकते हो, चार काम मत सोचो. If you are reading maths, put 100% of your mind in mathematics. Read only maths. When you want to eat, your mind should concentrate only on eating. That particular time, don't think I have left one numerical. Eat. When you are just watching the news, keep your mind for the news and just remember what is there in the news. Today I want to read only science. Keep your mind concentrated in science. Don't think that physics 2 chapters are left. I have to read those 2 chapters. For that, keep another timetable that tomorrow I'll be reading only physics. So one step at a time. 100 steps, no result. Result is 0. So instead of getting 0, it's much better to be very good. To be very good means what to do? You have to take one step. We can't climb immediately to the top and feel that I can be the topper. No. Every day, one step, one subject, one chapter, one unit can be a small content. Understood? This is how you can come up with the stress. Otherwise, 4 chapter teacher ने पढ़ा दिया, मैं कैसे पढ़ूंगा? अरे 4 chapter teacher ने पढ़ाया ना. तुमको आज आधा ही पेज याद हो रहा है, आधा ही पेज करो, कल आधा पेज करो. टीचर जब पढ़ा रही है उस समय उसका कंसंट्रेशन रखो. उतना करते करते एक वीक की एंड में you'll just see that you are also moving along with the teacher and you have reached to that particular target. And anytime any teacher, any person in your life asks the question, you'll be able to give the answers. Correct? Now, very important part is after this we feel बाहर नहीं जा सकते, ये नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते. It means you should spend your economic and useful time. पहले मैंने बोला टाइम टेबल बनाओ, मैनेज करो डे का, मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग. फिर मैंने क्या बोला, आप ऑर्गेनाइज करिए एक्टिविटीज, एकेडमिक नॉन एकेडमिक, अपनी डेली रूटीन को. मैंने बोला अभी मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल लाइफ. इकोनॉमिक पैसे से रिलेटेड होती है. अगर आपको कुछ भी पैसा मिल रहा है, हाउ यू कैन सेव दैट मनी, हाउ यू कैन सेव दैट मनी. So where to save, how to invest, whom to give. You just think. Social life means this is a particular time where you are able to live with your father and mother for the whole day. Otherwise you are busy in your life, mother father busy in their life. And then you say मम्मी पापा को तो टाइम ही नहीं मुझे देखने का. पर अभी मम्मी पापा को पूरा टाइम मिला है और आपको भी पूरा टाइम मिला है कि you can be there with your father and mother, the parents. Correct? So spend this life. Enjoy. Learn something good from everyone who are there in your house. If you are living in a joint family in this particular situation of coronavirus, it's very good because you get the things to be learned by your grandparents, you get the things to be learned from your uncle and aunt, from your elder brother and sister, and the time for you to love your younger ones. If you are in a stress, love your younger ones. Talk to them for 5 to 10 minutes. There are some incidents where you feel like smiling because they are the one who gives smile always on your face. Or your grandfather and grandmother, whether they are maternal or paternal, both of them, they always love you, always. So go to them, spend at least half an hour. They are also happy. अरे बच्चे को आज तक टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था, पढ़ाई से बच नहीं पा रहा था, बेचारा मेरे पास आ नहीं पा रहा था, but thanks to this particular coronavirus that the child is coming and staying with me, and at least 1 hour in a day he is talking to me. Otherwise he was busy in his coaching classes, school, and then completing the homework, assignment, etc. But now you're free. Just give your time for them also. Now I'm moving to, there's something very important here. I want to stress on one particular thing, that especially the girls and boys nowadays are moving out from the life which is needed in their actual practical life when they move out in colleges, hostel, or they get the jobs, when they're away from the parents. What are these? Like learning some specific skill. Now whenever I'm saying learning some specific skill, it means what? It means you should learn hemming, you should learn putting on the buttons, because once you are moving out, parents are not there to help you. At least these small things, very easy thing to cook, can learn that particular cooking habit, learn that which will help you in the future, that you can cook and eat. You need not to depend on others. Think about those children who are at present in Kota, the situation when the hotels are not working there, how they are managing their food. If they know to cook Maggi, at least they are cooking Maggi and eating. If they know to cook rice or pulses or vegetables, they can cook and survive, because anyhow we have to survive. These things which are very needed in your life in the future, learn. This is only the time. At least 1 hour you spare every day, and when you spare this 1 hour in your life, you'll think, oh, I have seen the video of Sudha Jha ma'am. She said like this, and due to that I am like this. So learn these things which are very important. Till now you didn't get the time, but at present you are having the time. I'm not saying that don't study. Studying also for 10 hours in a day. How to manage? With the routine. Early morning 3 hours. After that take a long break. Eat. After that from 11 to 1 o'clock again you study. After that take a long break. And then from 7 to 10. See, whole day you have enjoyed also. In this enjoying time you learn these skills. Learn to organize. Correct? Now, there's one important thing which I want to share. Very important point to cope up with the social challenges. The people who are in the neighborhood or in your house when you have the siblings. Some of them are very good in academics and others are poor, but who are very good in academics, your father and mother always compare with them. देखो ये बच्चा, देखो ये तुम्हारा ही भाई है, कैसा पढ़ रहा है, इतना अच्छा पढ़ने में, देखो इस बहन को, टॉपर ही है, एक तुम कुछ नहीं पढ़ता रहता, अभी छुट्टी मिला, इम्प्रूव करो, तो नहीं, सोते रहता है. These are the time when you have to cope up with these social challenges. Not only inside your house, but outside the house, the society. In the society, people expect so many things from you. So that also you should be ready for it. That yes, what you want. You are seeing an old lady crossing a road. She is unable to cross. Help that old lady. Once you come out from this corona, now be at home. Otherwise, you will be saying that Miss has told. No, ma'am is not telling you this particular time that you should be out from the house. In the house itself, when you have your grandfather is unable to walk, whenever he needs, give a glass of water to him. Very good. You are adjusting. These are the challenges in life. Because you are reading, you want to complete this particular task, this exercise, 10 questions, and then you want to move out of the room. But in between the sound comes, beta, thoda mera chashma gir gaya, utha do. Your grandmother says, don't say no. Leave all the work, do that. And again come back and study. It is not going to hamper your studies at all. But this is what is social challenge. Even they are happy कि मेरा बेटा, मेरा पोता एक बार में सुन लिया. Understood? These are the social challenges. Correct? Now coming to the next. I told you about the family relationships, very important. Whenever you are in stress, but remember, father is father, mother is mother. Very important thing is, in the house you learn about the moral values, you learn about the civic values. No one else is going to teach you. Neighbors may shout, neighbors may criticize you. They'll criticize you, but they will not indulge these good values inside you. This particular time, you always need the help of the family. Correct? Very important thing is, sometimes you feel you are reading, you have prepared the timetable for 3 years. Okay, Sudha ma'am told I'm reading for 3 years in the morning, 7 to 10. But after 9 o'clock, you feel like sleepy. So that particular time, take a short sleep. Here, short sleep means 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Put alarm in your mobile. Now, every child is having a mobile. Or if you have alarm clock, put the time there, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. This small 15-minute sleep during that particular time re-energizes you. You get back the energy and then you can study well after that. So I'm not saying that when you feel like sleepy, don't sleep. No, you can take a small sleep that particular time. Very important, last one is the healthy diet. Go with the healthy diet. And anyhow, this is a time when you should not be in stress, because parents are cooking, mother is cooking every day new dishes, and she is offering you, yahi to time hai ki abhi mera bachcha aaram se kha sakta hai. She's giving, yeah, sometimes she makes karela, okay, bitter gourd, you don't like, but still go for eating. Something good is that. Something good is in it. So go for eating it. Correct? Some of the things you don't like, but think, when you are not well, you take medicine. Do you love the medicine, the taste of medicine? No. So that particular time when you are taking medicine, it's much better to eat these type of vegetables which are increasing the immunity in our body. And once the immunity is there, no disease will attack on your body. Never say no to any of the vegetables. Never say no to any of the fruits. Yeah, say no only when you have allergy. If you don't have allergy, don't say no, because this is a natural thing that can make you to have a healthy and longer life. And once you are healthy, full of vitamins, full of minerals, immunity increased, this coronavirus will fly away. It is not going to come to you. So I hope so. These all steps, if you manage in your life, I'm saying for all the children, whether a school going children or the child is going to the college, for everyone, just cope up with this and you see, yes, I'm happy. There may be some points which I have not taken. You feel that this particular, I am in such a situation, and how to cope up with that situation. You can put up this in my channel. Subscribe this channel. Put up your query. If I get 10 to 12 queries, then I'll be preparing a next video on it, in which I'm going to clarify all your doubts, all the different types of the stresses you have in your mind. So I'll be happy the many number of the queries what I get. Once the queries are there, they will also boost me, and you will get 100% practical information which is going to help you in your life. So beta, if you are in stress, follow these things. Stress भूल कर भी नहीं आएगा, भूल कर भी नहीं आएगा और चला जाएगा. स्ट्रेस से हमें लड़ना है, सुसाइड नहीं करना है. Correct? Okay. Thank you everyone, and goodbye. Have a nice life, healthy life. Be safe, so that again and again you subscribe this channel and see it. Thank you. Thank you everyone.